today we have Mason's Flip. This place is getting a full HVAC upgrade. We're going to take out this old gas furnace and swap it out for a heat pump system with an air handler and electric backup heat. Should take us a couple of days from start to finish, and I'll walk you through the whole process from tear out to firing up the systems. We're going to take out some of this up here, and we're going to replace this with brand new ductwork coming over to here. This whole thing is going to get pushed back over here to the corner behind here, and then same thing with the return. We're going to take that, push that back right there. Jake has done a wonderful job ripping out all of this up above through the ceiling, so I get access to all these ducts right here that we're going to replace. So that's going to be really nice. Jake said it was pretty dusty. How dusty was it, Jake?
It was bad. It was bad. I was like, you can tell on the floor how there's probably about a half-inch layer of dust that I've already cleaned up.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, no, you can definitely see it around here. So he's getting the last one right now. That's what he was doing earlier, is just getting access. Yeah, it's pretty bad. We're just gonna rip out all of this. It's completely rusted all the way through. All this is gonna get pushed back. We're gonna make this nice and wide open, get it all cleaned up. So let's get into it. Okay, so now we got the entire furnace ripped out. We got actual copper lines ripped out, and now I'm making a metal piece that comes across here. So I'm gonna have like a little 90 come down right in, and then we're gonna have a new transition piece come down right here. We're gonna use some regular sheet metal to cover the base can of any gaps. Then tomorrow we're gonna core drill right through here. All the duct ran to all these boots. I'm gonna get that done, and then I'm gonna run the electrical all the way over from the panel. Yeah, other than that, it's looking really good.